y'all don't really want it like, yeah. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like, yeah. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like, E-double-L. I said so, I keep big bills up in my heart on the dirty like Bledsoe. Ain't got no twist in my head, but I'm still dreadful. And I got plenty of bread, so I go to bed full. I'm in it to win it, I'm all in. I might call you my cuz, young blood, but we ain't kin. You think of jumping, man, you best think again. The dirty, I'm the type of man that might go broke for revenge. Had some not so nice friends, kick the door off the hinge, take the door off your bins, pop up my four of your friends. Man, please, this shit ain't cynical. Nano subliminal, I'm physical, financial, and mental to be a general. Hey, the mama claims she want a soldier, not the type be in the tank, but in that Rover. Man, please, I'm in the zone like AIDS full blown. I'm killing it like a blind man reading. I'm feeling it like, oh, yeah. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like, yeah. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like, yeah. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like, yeah. Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like, he think he got her when he knew he's off his butter. He ain't never been a fighter. You can go and ask his mother. I'm a lover and a fighter. Producer and a writer. Give your girl a quick fix and give your man a nice shiner. You know y'all don't really want it. And I can tell just by looking at you that you the type to run and go and tell just by looking at you. You on a mission for recognition by dissing. Didn't have no problem till the record started breaking. But y'all don't really want it. So let me tell you the deal. I'm also serious. I'm dirty. I'm no longer for real. I'm like a hop, skip, and a jump. A clock grip on the pump. From leaving you in the trunk. Somewhere prepared to dump. But y'all don't really want it. So quit acting like you're dead. I'm looking to my right. Trying to see.
Beast Nation, thank you for watching my little vlog. Okay, those are my soldiers, my freaking squad, and my platoon that we was with. We had a great time. Great field cycle. We're not done yet. We got this weekend off. And then you gotta go back to the field for another week. And then we get another weekend off. And then you gotta go back for another week. So it's gonna be you know, just repetition of this stuff, okay? But guys, like I said, thank you for hanging in there. I know I haven't been doing a lot of reactions, but I'm gonna try to knock out as many as I can tomorrow. I have a lot of stuff to do this weekend, but I'm gonna try to knock out as many reactions as I can. So since there's so much stuff that went back, I mean, you know, last 2 weeks a lot of stuff came up, right? So just if you want, go ahead and put in your in the description box what you want me to react to. If there's something, you know, that happened previously that you want me to react to, let me know. And I'll try to get to it. And anything new that happens from right now, I'm gonna try to knock it out as fast as I can. Try to do as many as I can tonight, maybe. Actually, I don't think I'm not gonna do anything tonight, but tomorrow, and try to knock out some Sunday. Okay. But anyways, Beast Nation, thank you. We appreciate it. All right. Let me know what other songs I could use. All right. Like what other songs you like to hear in my next vlog because I'm gonna do this again next week because we're gonna be at the next week. So if you guys want another song you want to hear, let me know. All right, I don't know. Let me know. PW Beast.